Do you believe in demons? Do you believe in the devil? Some people deny the existence of the devil. They say, it's all about us. But here in the gospel, two things are being we are being reminded of two things. Number one, there is evil in the world. There is devil. It is real. But I do not want to scare you. Hindi ko naman kayo tinatakot. Kaya lang pinapaalala ko lang sa atin, sa inyong lahat, na meron tayong kaaway na mas makapangyarihan at malakas kaysa sa atin. Maaaring hindi siya humaharap ng nakakatakot. Maaaring sa anyo ng tukso ng kayamanan o tukso ng kapangyarihan. But the devil is real. The second reminder of the gospel is this: we are not alone in fighting the evil one. We are not fighting it by ourselves. In fact, we cannot do anything by ourselves. Yung sinasapian ng masamang espiritu, hindi niya mapalaya ang kanyang sarili mula sa pagkaalipin ng masamang espiritu. Kinailangan pang kumilos si Jesus. And that is the reminder to us. We have the Lord fighting for us. We have the Lord assisting us. The question of the evil one is, I know who you are, the Holy One of God. Have you come to destroy us? And of course, the implicit answer is, yes, I came to destroy you. And that is Jesus giving us an assurance. We may not be able to free ourselves from evil, but with God, with the Lord, with Jesus, we will be able to overcome the evil one. Kaya kapag may kapag dinidemonyo kayo, no? Kapag dinidemonyo kayo, tawagan nyo lang ang Panginoon at sabihin nyo, Lord, hindi ko kaya to. Tulungan mo ako. Kapag malakas ang tukso sa paggawa ng masama, tukso sa pagnanakaw, tukso sa pagsisinungaling, tukso sa kahalayan, sabihin natin sa Panginoon, Lord, hindi ko kaya to. At tutulungan tayo ni Jesus. Amen.